Hey, Rob Allen here with TruckMountForums, and I've been cleaning carpets for over 40 years, own TruckMountForums and TMF Academy. And a lot of people have been asking me, hey Rob, how do you treat for urine? Well, in this short little video, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's talk about the stages of urine treatment. With my company, we offer 3 different stages of urine treatment. Stage 1, where we actually do a topical, where we'll add Unchained into our pre-spray. Stage 2 is where we'll locate the urine stain, we'll replicate or recreate the accident, and then we'll go ahead and clean the carpets with some Unchained mixed into the pre-spray also. Stage 3 is where we do both stage 1 and stage 2, but we'll use our subsurface tool and we'll go ahead and subsurface and extract and flush every single urine stain. Okay, first let's discuss the chemistry. That's the most important part of this equation right here. Okay, number 1, I'm going to be treating the urine stains with Unchained. This way I can get rid of the odor, I can get rid of the color, and I can break the urine molecule so the odor does not come back and the client's 100% happy. I'm going to use it as a pre-spray, black label, and then I'm going to use Ultimate Fiber Rinse to go ahead and rinse the carpets and maybe get any other urine molecules that might have been missed. For urine stains throughout, I like to add 1 gallon of Unchained to my inline sprayer. This will give me about 5 gallons of urine treatment and treat 50 to 100 plus urine stains for stage 2 as this client opted for. Here's a cool little tip. Use a gear tie to strap your TMF UV light to the inline sprayer lance. TMF makes the best UV light in the industry because you don't have to dim the lights or close the shades. Many call the TMF UV light an ATM machine. It's a serious moneymaker. Now you want to locate each stain and recreate the accident, going outside of the boundaries of the stain because it spreads out onto the backing. Then tamp down with your foot and do the Nike shuffle. Afterwards, use a premium pre-spray like TMF Black Label. You can do like us and add a dash of Unchained to the pre-spray mix. Both are synergistic, will add a pop to the cleaning, and believe me, it smells divine. Machine agitation with the CRB is ideal. This will help destroy any urine molecules that have been tracked throughout the home. Unchained is unique in that it contains 5 exclusive ingredients that were developed to penetrate the urine molecule membrane to break urine odor on contact. Enzymes can take 45 minutes to several hours to work, and if any do-it-yourself products in the carpet are present, the enzymes die, leading to costly redos or lost clients. I don't have time for that. As a long-time cleaning veteran, I don't have that kind of time and I can't take that kind of risk. I need powerful, extremely effective, and safe cleaning products. TMF's Unchained delivers. Now let's break down pricing. You notice here I've got basically stage 1, we charge $100 for topical. Stage 2, you notice the equal symbol, that means it's the same amount as the cleaning. Stage 3 is 2 times the cleaning price. Now on this home right here, what I did was I had 7 areas at $50 an area, that's $350. Times 2 would be $700. $350 for the cleaning, $350 for the urine treatment equals $700. Now remember, the beauty of America is you can charge what you want to charge. And especially when you take into consideration your CODB, your cost of doing business. That's just how I do it. You can do it however you like. But remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. If you check out tmfacademy.com, and there we have an odor and complete urine course right there to help you get rid of odors and stains of all different types. You can help you ID them, it can take care of urine, biofilms, dog odors, dog dander odors, and more. And it also covers equipment like ozone machines, dry and wet foggers, and dry vapor machines. Plus it covers all your furnishings. It'll help you with taking care of it for carpets, for walls, for ducts, and for rugs. However, you need to be able to have the jobs, right? So we also help you with sales, marketing, the processes, and all the equipment. Lastly, we also cover all the chemistry, and then we give you some demonstrations. This will help you be an odor and stain removal pro. Okay, we just covered all the basics of chemistry, stages, and pricing. For more in-depth coverage and understanding of urine and odor removal, please check out tmfacademy.com. There we talk about selling, marketing, the proper application, and the whole comprehensive course on urine and odor removal.